Hey y'all, if y'all want to see how I went from this bushy stuff to this long, pretty, wavy, curly look, continue watching. Okay, so y'all gonna need a brush, bottle of spray, and any type of curly stuff and some Got2b glue-free spray. The curly stuff I'm using is African's Best curling cream. I just feel like if you put a curling cream inside of your curly weave hair, it leaves it in place all day. I don't have to be worried about it messing the hair up because one, it's hair from AliExpress. It's gonna mess up either way, in my opinion. Two, I feel like it keep it looking good for as long as it can. Like, it don't look crunchy or nothing. It just really looks wet all day. But all I'm doing is applying it with some water and brushing it to each section of the hair, and I'm gonna keep doing that throughout the whole video. And then on the end, I'm gonna spray my Got2b free spray on the top of my hair to hold the top in place because I didn't really put much cream on the top. But yeah, that's really all I'm doing. So just continue watching and see what I do.